We're out in a gorgeous field of potatoes in the Columbia Basin talking with Tim Waters, a vegetable specialist and professor with Washington State University Extension. Part of his work has involved integrating a new technology that adds a sliding spray system onto an existing center pivot irrigation line.
The Cordoba spray system is attached to the center pivot. It's a set of cables and pulleys. Everybody probably remembers, a lot of us do, the old dot matrix printers. That printer would have that one nozzle that would go back and forth across the screen, and eventually you print your name, right? And that's basically what this thing does. It moves back and forth on this integrated belt system, and it sprays the solution out of the tank. The cool part about this technology is marrying multiple technologies together, right? We've been evaluating some photo technology where you can do photo scouting of fields. The machines will take pictures kind of on an automated path. The computer will look through those images and decide where pests or diseases are, and then it'll give you a map of where these problems are. So at the end of the day, what I'm hoping that can happen with a machine like this is we can take those remote scouting programs and then you download that data into the computer here. So now instead of applying the product to this whole 70-acre circle, we could apply to a quarter acre of this field, or we could do a 20-foot by 10-foot swath of this field. That's micro precision ag, right? That's, to me, is the big thing. We've got all these technology pieces. Let's start pulling these things together, make the growers' lives a little bit easier and make it more precise, and let's grow the crop for less money. We're not finding more acres to farm. There's no longer new land becoming available for agriculture. So we need to be more productive on this land. And precision agriculture is a way we can do that. This is hyper-precision agriculture. You know, pesticides are an important tool. And these tools are very important because they preserve the crop, they preserve the yield. So really, to be good stewards of the land, we need to produce the most food that we can per acre. And the most responsible way to do that is using pesticides in a smart way. It's not just conventional producers that use pesticides. Organic producers have to use pesticides as well. Late blight doesn't care if your potatoes are organic or conventional. It doesn't care if they're potatoes in your backyard. It doesn't care if it's a 120-acre circle. When late blight comes in, that pathogen's going to take that plant out. At the end of the day, these potatoes are going to go around the world and feed a lot of people. And that's kind of a big responsibility. So if we use pesticides in a judicious and safe way, that's kind of a responsibility for us to do that.